Yes, you can apply Pesty Smart Pest Plan treatments to a deck or porch to reduce pest entry and activity. Pesty Smart Pest Plan exterior treatments for decks and porches focus on creating a treated barrier and targeting common harboring spots. Begin by clearing debris and sweeping cobwebs so products contact substrate rather than organic matter. Apply a perimeter spray to the soil and mulch line around the deck and porch, keeping treatments about 2 to 4 inches up vertical surfaces and 2 to 4 inches out from the foundation to intercept crawling insects. Treat window wells, under stair stringers, lattice openings, and connection points where deck joists meet the house because those gaps are frequent insect highways. Use a residual insecticide labeled for perimeter use and follow label rates. Avoid over-application by using low-pressure, even sweeps rather than concentrated puddles. For wooden surfaces prone to wood-destroying insects, use products specifically labeled for that purpose, or combine perimeter treatments with targeted wood treatments applied to accessible infested members. Reapply at label intervals or after heavy rains and inspect seasonally, focusing on moisture accumulation and vegetation encroachment that reduces treatment effectiveness. Common problems include treating too late in the season so pests are already established. Treat early in spring and maintain through peak activity to prevent populations from gaining footholds. Another issue is applying product directly to wet or highly organic surfaces, which reduces residual activity. Wait for dry conditions and remove organic debris before treatment. A third concern is missing structural gaps and voids where insects travel. Always probe and treat around fasteners, under stairs, inside lattice voids, and at the seam where the deck meets the house to close these pathways. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors who offer exterior pest control and deck or porch services, and our site helps contractors find jobs in their region. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share experiences, ask questions, and compare approaches to protecting decks and porches from pests.